गुड मॉर्निंग, नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल. Friends, today we will discuss Becker-Venkat Raman rearrangement. Base catalyzed rearrangement of orthoacetoxy. It is orthoacetoxy. O stands for here orthoacetoxy acetophenone into beta diketone, that is 1,3-diketone, is known as Becker-Venkat Raman rearrangement. What is this? It is acetophenone. Here OCOCH3 and better to write OC double bond OCH3. It is acetoxy group. CH3COOH acetic acid, and it is acetoxy group. That is CH3C double bond O bond O. The CH3C double bond O bond O. This is acetoxy group. Okay. And it is base. Then what will happen? It is alpha hydrogen. So hydrogen will be abstracted by base leading to carbonyl. Okay, and that carbonyl will attack at this carbonyl carbon. Means this part finally will come here. This is the rearrangement. How can you judge? How can you decide the product? Only I am thinking over this. This part, acetyl, will come here. C double bond O, CH2, bond C double bond O, CH3. This part will go there, and this is O, and hydrogen released from here will come here, that is O. And this is functional group, and with respect of this, it is alpha, it is beta. Means beta diketone. It is beta to this, and it is beta to this. Or you can say 1, 2, 3, 2 ketone groups are at 1 and 3 position. So it is called beta diketone or 1,3-diketone. Okay. In general, you can write, suppose C double bond O, CH2 bond R1 in general, and here O, C double bond O, R, R2. This R2 these are two or that are what? Are maybe methyl or phenyl. Okay? And so, in presence of base, you will get this. C double bond O, here this part will come here. Okay? CH2, and here not CH2 but CH, it is R1, and this part C double bond O and R2 here, and this O will now become OH. This is a product, beta diketone. It is in general. For simplicity, we write statement, we always say that when orthoacetoxy, it is acetoxy group. Aceto जोड़ oxy, it is aceto group, it is oxy group. So you can remember in this fashion. Or acetoxy comes from acetic acid. Anyhow, it is ortho position with respect to this keto group. Orthoacetoxy acetophenone, when treated with base, you will get this, that is beta diketone. Now, we will see its mechanism. Right here, C double bond O, CH2, H, CO, C double bond O, CH3. This base will abstract this hydrogen C double bond O, CH2 minus with elimination of BH. Suppose it is base and you will get HB. Okay? And here O, C double bond O, CH3. It is carbanion and it is, of course, it is nucleophile. And now it will attack at this carbon. It is carbonyl carbon. The rearrangement of the mechanism or the reaction of Becker-Venkat-Raman rearrangement, reaction of Becker-Venkat-Raman rearrangement is just similar to Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation. Claisen condensation. Okay, friends, you have to go through Claisen condensation in near future. We will upload the video of Claisen condensation. Although we will compare, rather we should compare here. Okay, what is Claisen condensation? When ethyl acetate is heated with sodium ethoxide, ethyl acetostate is formed. CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. It is ethyl state. Okay. And I say when it is heated with sodium ethoxide, means ethoxide ion. Ethoxide ion will abstract hydrogen from here, leading to formation of carbon ion. Now this carbon ion will attack on, suppose right here, another molecule of CH3, C double bond O, OC2H5. It is other molecule of ethyl state. And it will attack at this carbonyl carbon. Okay. And similar situation is here. This is Becker-Bekaert-Raman rearrangement. It is not complete, but here we are seeing Claisen condensation. It will attack at this carbonyl carbon. Then what will happen? First of all, we write this part. CH2, C double bond O, OC2H5. Okay. I have written this part. Now this carbon will get attached with this carbon, C double bond O, okay, and it is ethoxy and it is CH3. You will get this. You will get this. Okay. When it will attack at this carbon, this bond will break in this fashion and it will be minus. Now it will come here, and it will come here. Means ethoxide ion will be liberated, then you will get this. What is this? Ethyl. It is ethyl acetate. Ethyl acetoacetate, EAA. This is the best example of Claisen condensation. Okay. In Claisen condensation, first step is the formation of carbon ion by base. Here base is sodium ethoxide. Ethoxide ion will abstract the hydrogen from here, alpha hydrogen, leading to carbon ion. Here also base will abstract this alpha hydrogen leading to carbon ion. And in second step, that carbon ion will attack on carbonyl carbon. And here also this carbon ion will attack. Then you can say that this example of Claisen is intermolecular and it is intramolecular Claisen condensation. Hope you are now very much clear. Now what will happen? You will get C double bond O, CH2 O, C, CH3O minus. It is cyclic intermediate. It is intermediate. First step is the formation of carbon ion, like Claisen condensation. And second step is the attacking of carbon ion at carbonyl carbon, also like Claisen condensation. So friends, before studying this, before looking Becker-Bekaert-Raman rearrangement, must go through Claisen rearrangement. Both are very much similar. Okay, it is the cyclic intermediate. Now what will happen? It is the opening of the ring. Third step is the opening of the ring. It will come here, then it will come here. Then you will get this. C double bond O, CH2, CH2, then this carbon, and this is double bond O, and this is CH3. You will get this. And here it is O minus. Here in first step, HB has been liberated. So this HB will give H plus here with elimination of B minus. This Punarmushko. This B minus has been utilized and this B minus is being released in the last step. So in this fashion, H plus will come here and you will get this. C double bond O, CH2, C double bond O, CH3, watch, you will get 1,3-diketone or beta diketone. Friends, now we will see one important application. So write application. Here we will prepare flavone, very important compound of organic chemistry. It has very much medicinal value. So with the help of this reaction, we can prepare flavone. Okay. Ortho on benzoylation of orthohydroxyacetophenone, on benzoylation of orthohydroxyacetophenone, followed by heating with KOH, solid KOH, on benzoylation of orthohydroxyacetophenone followed by heating with solid KOH, we get beta diketone. It is the Becker-Truman, which on acidification flavone is produced. Friends, let us see the reaction, then you can understand this statement. Okay, it is acetophenone, okay, and it is orthohydroxyacetophenone. Benzoylation, how would you carry out this step? C6H5COCl. Here you will get this. C double bond O, CH3. Here benzoyl group will come here. C double bond O, C double bond O, C6H5. means pH, and here this H and this Cl will be eliminated, so we write minus H here. Okay. Now this hydroxide ion of potassium hydroxide will extract this hydrogen, or simply we write we have already discussed the mechanism of Becker-Benkataraman rearrangement, so I am not going to write mechanism. So this unit, this part will come here. Okay. C double bond O, CH2, this part will come here. C double bond O, pH. Okay. Now this is O, OH. You will get this. You will get this. Now what will happen? Now on acidification, here H plus, write H plus. On acidification, what will happen? First of all, enolization of this unit should be carried out. Okay. This is keto form. It will enolize with this hydrogen, leading to formation of double bond here. This OH, C double bond O, CH2, right here CH, and double bond will be here, double bond. Okay, this is C and this is OH and this is pH. You will get this. Okay. On acidification, this is keto form and it enolizes leading to this. Now on acidification, this water will be eliminated leading to this. Double bond O, CH, double bond pH O. This, it is flavon, very, very important compound, right? Minus H2. Friends, this H plus will come here or come here, leading to oxonium ion. Then water will be eliminated. You know its a mechanism. So in short, I have written only on acidification, water molecule will be eliminated, leading to flavon, which is very, very important compound. Friends, hope you have understood my lecture. So if so, must like, must share, must subscribe. Thank you very much.